Hey y'all, I thought I would do something different with a record album. And I cut out some shapes, and all I did was just a random shape. They don't mean anything. They're not a sign of anything. I just took a scrap piece of contact paper and cut them out. And there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just making it up as I go along. So I'm going to take one and put on this side of the record. Down there like so. Take this other one. And I don't have fingernails, so I like to use little tricks to help me along here. Always put the cover back on your blade. And I'm just going to throw this one over here like so. Just to hit one on the other side. Right here, getting the rest of my sapphire out because that's the last of my metallic sapphire. Very last of all of my metallics. Alrighty. I've got to put the lid on that, get rid of the bottle. Okay, use this to smooth it down, get a good seal. And I hope my hard drive doesn't fill up, and I hope that video doesn't stop because I already have a couple of videos on that I have not posted yet. So I'm trying to hurry so I don't run out. Alrighty. Good enough. This is just an experiment. Okay. Just some random shapes. And let's do a pour on this baby. I'm going to start with I'm going to do a base coat, a little bit of black. Not a lot, because we don't want it to eat up the other colors. Just a little bit. On the bottom like so. Okay. And I've got some of this mixed up. It's Master's Touch. I think I called it Touch of the Master's Hand yesterday, but it's actually called Master's Touch, and this is light magenta. And I had a 24 pack that I've been trying out. So, yeah, this is Master's Touch brand. Probably have it mixed too thin, but we're going to try it anyway. Pour that over the black. Okay. And then I have some yellow here. Unless I mention it otherwise, the brands are, my brand is Anita's. And I did pick up a little bit of that Master's Touch, the 24 pack, but I'll let you know what I'm using here. So that's the Yaller. And I'm going to throw in the rest of my metallic sapphire. That's all I got. So we're going to put it in there. It's such a pretty color. Not very much, but it's still pretty. Okay, there's that. Alright, let's add a little bit of the a little bit of royal blue with that, shall we? I haven't used it in a while. I'll give it a little shake here. Get a little bit of that blue in there with that. And then I'm going to go back with the pink, or whatever you want to call that, magenta, light magenta. I'll put the rest of that in there. Oh, it looks a little lumpy. I hope I got that mixed up well. Okay. And then we'll put a little bit more yellow. And then a tiny bit more blue. Okay, that ought to do it. That should be enough paint for this album. Oh, I had this up here and I didn't even use it. Some of my island blue. Should we put a shot of it in there just to say, hey, Disco Piker used her island blue. Let's do it, shall we? A little bit of island blue will do ya. Woo. Ooh, it's pretty. Whoopsie. Okie dokie. Get the crusty off of there. Okay, I don't have any negative space painted on here. So I think what I'll do is add a little bit. It just makes it slip slide a little bit better. We're not getting it perfect, but I'm just gonna, you know, those grooves can be a little stubborn. So just gonna cover the grooves a little bit. Okay. Just like that. In the middle a little bit. And I'm going to leave the emblem alone. Just let the colors fill that up. Okay? And, of course, you know, I'm making this all up, y'all. So, anyways, that's what it looks like right now. Okay? Alright. Let's do a pour, shall we? Okay, let's do a flip cup. Ooh, pretty colors. And I don't know where my pins are right now because my table's such a mess, so let's just slice the side, shall we? Woo. Okay, no silicone was used at all, so we're just going to see how it works. Alright, looks like you're still recording. Wow, that's a lot of paint. Holy cow. It's pretty psychedelic. Bubbles, bubbles, tall and trouble. Ooh, more cells are popping out. Something in that menagerie likes to make cells. I don't know which paint's doing it, but it's cool. It's cool. Look at that. Okay. I don't know if I can catch any of that lovely, delicious color for another run. I get some of it. Ooh, pretty. That black in there really, really tops it off, I think. At least so far. We'll see what it looks like when I get done here. Just make sure all the sides are covered. I really like that. What do you think, gal? That's pretty psychedelic, right? Alright. Let's add some heat to this baby because I see some air bubbles. See if we can get some more cell action going. And I got a little soup left over for another project. I don't measure, so I tend to over pour at times. I really should measure, but I need to find me a good scale because I don't know what happened to the one I had. Ah, laundry's going, so you hear the oven rack rattling a little bit. Sorry about that. Everything in here rattles and makes noise. Wow, this is cool looking. This is so cool. And this was just an experiment. Man, I don't even know if I want to peel those appliques off. I really like the design. Okay. I'm going to show it to you real quick. It's really pretty. Oh, don't turn it off, Teresa. Watch the buttons. See that, y'all? Sorry about the shadows again. Look at that. Look at that cell action right there. That island blue. I'm glad I added that. And the black in the background. Very awesome. So I just might not remove those stickers. As long as they don't bubble up and say, hey, I'm a sticker. I just might leave it. Okay, I'm going to go eat supper. Bye.